To resolve the issue of Google Chrome not loading pages properly, we'll explore several solutions. The first step involves clearing the cache files for the specific site that's not loading. To do this, open Chrome, click the three-dot icon, select Settings, go to Privacy and Security, and choose Site Settings. Under Permissions, locate the site causing trouble, click the trash icon to delete its data. Next, turn off hardware acceleration. Navigate to System in Chrome Settings, find Use Hardware Acceleration when available and toggle it off. Relaunch Chrome to see if the issue persists. If the problem continues, try disabling unnecessary extensions. Click the three-dot icon, go to Extensions and disable all extensions, particularly ad blockers, which may interfere with page loading. Another solution involves changing the DNS address. In Chrome Settings, select Privacy and Security, then Security, turn on Use Secure DNS, and choose either Google Public DNS or Cloudflare DNS from the drop-down menu. If the issue persists, reset the network using CMD codes. Search for CMD, run as administrator, and execute the provided codes from the video description. Restart your PC afterward to see if the problem is resolved. Lastly, close some Chrome flags. Type Chrome flags in the address bar, search for specific flags mentioned in the video, and disable them. Additionally, customize Chrome's side panel by disabling certain features. Relaunch Chrome to check if the issue is fixed. These steps aim to address various potential causes of Chrome not loading pages properly. If any of the solutions work for you, consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to support the creator. Thank you for watching.